Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy XCover Pro, and today I'll show you how to put this device into safe mode. Now to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, expand it, and you should see the power key right over here. So simply tap on it, and once you see the power off option, instead of tapping on it as you would normally do, you want to hold it. There we go. And this will change it into safe mode. So tap on it again to initiate the reboot into safe mode. Now, while this device is booting up into safe mode, I'm going to quickly explain what this is for. So this mode is used for troubleshooting your device if it doesn't really want to boot into normal mode, if it's lagging or freezing up on you and doing some stuff that it shouldn't. You can boot your device into safe mode. This will disable all installed applications that, well, you have installed. And if those applications were causing your phone to malfunction that way, then, well, you will have a clear answer if that was the fault of an app or if the device is just broken. And also, if that some app was causing a problem, you can simply uninstall it from here. Now, all the apps are basically forced or stopped from starting up, so all the installed apps by you will be completely disabled. So as you can see, widgets for some reason are also part of that, but we go up, well, I don't have any installed apps, so those are all the default ones, so they will all work. But the ones that will be disabled will be basically grayed out, and if you try to open them, it will give you a message that you're in safe mode, so you cannot, basically. But yeah, that is how you can boot into it. And once you're done with this mode and you want to leave it, all you really need to do is go back to the power key right here, and this time around simply tap on the restart option. And once the device boots back up, it will be then back in the normal mode. And there we go. As you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.